Let me just show you the temperatures we recorded a year ago today. During the day, for many of us, we barely got above freezing. Compare these locations across the region with the temperatures we recorded today, 10 or 11 degrees, so much, much milder. And there's no sign of us getting that proper winter's grip at the moment. It looks as though we're going to stay pretty unsettled with some milder Atlantic air heading our way and bringing us unsettled conditions. Another extraordinary figure for you. Into the early hours of the 16th last year, Buntingford in Hertfordshire got down to minus 13.6 Celsius. Very cold indeed. Well, it's not going to be that cold tonight. In fact, we're in a really mild sector of air between two weather fronts. So it's meant that we've had quite cloudy conditions through today. We've also seen some patchy rain and we'll continue to see some through this evening and overnight. So for some of us, quite a damp night, but really quite mild temperatures. They're not expected to get lower than about 5 or 6 Celsius for most of us. And there'll still be quite a bit of a breeze that'll help to keep those temperatures up overnight, a moderate southwesterly. Now into tomorrow, we've still got low pressure keeping things very unsettled. It does mean it's going to be quite windy through tomorrow. There's also going to be some sunshine and some showers. For some of us across the eastern half of the region, it might start a bit cloudy with some patchy rain first thing, but it should be soon out of the way. And then it will start to brighten up. So we'll see the sunshine, but quite a few showers developing from the southwest, perhaps the western half of the region seeing the most of those, into the eastern half looking like we may miss some of them, but they may well be on the heavy side. Still mild through tomorrow, 9 or 10 Celsius, but essentially some slightly cooler and clearer air for tomorrow. So for some of us, perhaps at 8 or 9 degrees, and a more noticeable southerly breeze through tomorrow. Now into the afternoon, evening, there's still a risk of those showers and perhaps a bit more cloud developing overnight. So certainly the chance of some patchy rain as we get into the early hours of Friday morning. Now here's our outlook. For Friday itself, once more it's looking like sunshine and showers. Highs of around 9 Celsius, still quite windy, and we'll keep that wind into the weekend. Out of the 2 days, Saturday is looking like the wetter of the 2 days. It looks drier and brighter and slightly cooler for Sunday, but there's a chance of some of this rain moving through on Saturday, and it could be on the heavy side. Now overnight lows, so we're staying mild tonight and the next couple of nights, and then as we get towards the end of the weekend, temperatures starting to get down. Remember, these are our air temperatures, so the temperatures on the ground could be down to freezing by Sunday night.